Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Interim Administrator and Chief Executive Officer of the Niger Delta Development Commission (NDDC), Dr. Akwa, is optimistic that the ongoing reconstruction of the 9-kilometer Obehie-Okeikpe Road reconstruction project in Akwa West local government area of Abia State will be completed and delivered on record time. Dr. Akwa expressed the optimism recently while inspecting the level of work carried out on the project.
Obehie and Okeikpe are neighboring communities in oil-rich Akwa West local government area of Abia State. Owing to the deplorable condition of the road linking both communities, the NDDC in April this year awarded a contract for the reconstruction of the Obehie-Okeikpe road to ease transport hiccups and enhance commercial activities in the area. When recently, Interim Administrator of the NDDC, Dr. Effiong, inspected the project, he expressed satisfaction with the quality of work done so far and the speed it had recorded. The NDDC boss also applauded residents, particularly the youths, for creating an enabling environment for the contractor to operate.
Our impression is that the job is where you can see the quality of drains on both sides. Even where they have done the asphalting, they didn't want to take chances. They had to even bring an expatriate to help them supervise and do the asphalting of major parts of the road. I also want to appreciate the youth of this community. Of course, you know what is happening in Southeast, but the youths did so well because I'm sure because this road had been a source of concern for them, so they had to cooperate with the contractor.
Dr. Akwa was optimistic that when completed, the Obehie-Okeikpe road would aid development in Akwa West local government areas of Abia State and its neighboring local government areas in Rivers and Akwa Ibom states.
This is a road that has a lot of linkages with the livelihood of the people up to Akwa Ibom. That is a road that carries all the farm produce. Because we are moving from Abia Road end there, 9 kilometers up to Akwa East. We pass Akwa West up to Akwa East.
The Obehie-Okeikpe road, constructed over 20 years ago, gradually degenerated into a state of disrepair, making life difficult for commuters. Chairman of Akwa West local government area, Okekalu, and a lawmaker representing Akwa West in the Abia State House of Assembly, Godwin Adeli, both laud the NDDC for its timely intervention.
My people are so much appreciative of what we are seeing because it's taken some long time before now for us to see this type of thing.
We've seen directors come and go. We've seen commissioners come and go. But this one is special. Putting us together, bringing us together, and assuring us that what we are seeing and hearing is not a photo trick. We are grateful.
With the intervention of the NDDC, 3.8 kilometers of the Obehie-Okeikpe road reconstruction has been completed, while work is ongoing on the remaining part spanning 5.2 kilometers. Obviously delighted at the economic prospects of the project, its beneficiaries had conferred an award of excellence on the NDDC helmsman, Dr. Effiong Akwa.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference. Inside the Niger Delta,